All right, here we are doing Unit 6, Lesson 3. And so I'm going to start with question number 1. Question number 1 says in triangle ABC, AC is 29 inches, AB is 17 inches, and the measure of ABC is 90. And so I can see based on this that my right angle is going to be at angle B. And so I'm going to go ahead and draw a diagram so I can get an idea of what's going on here. So when I draw my diagram, I want my right angle at B, because ABC would be 90 degrees. And I'll just label that A and that C. And then AC is 29. And so I can see from my diagram that that's the hypotenuse. And then AB is 17. And we're trying to find the measure of angle BAC. And so that's this angle here, BAC. That's what I'm looking for. I'm going to call that theta. You can call it x or any variable you'd like. And so again, I already said that 29 is my hypotenuse, and I know that if this is theta, then 17 is going to be an adjacent side. Let's quickly recall our three trig functions. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. That's something that you should have memorized at this point. So if I'm using adjacent and hypotenuse, that means I'm going to end up using the cosine function. And so I'm going to say the cosine of theta equals the adjacent side 17 over the hypotenuse 29. And now I'm trying to find this missing angle, theta, and so I want to get rid of the cosine. And we talked about to undo the cosine function, we do on our calculator what's called the inverse cosine. It looks like this, inverse cosine of the fraction 17 over 29. You type that in your calculator and that will give you the value of theta. So you're going to do that. Question number 2 says, a communications company is building a 30-foot antenna to carry cell phone transmissions. As shown in the diagram below, a 50-foot wire, so here's my wire, 50-foot wire from the top of the antenna to the ground is used to stabilize the antenna. Find to the nearest hundredth of a degree the measure of the angle that the wire makes with the ground. And so this time I'm going to call that x. And so from here, the 30, the antenna is the adjacent side, nope, the opposite side, sorry, and this is my hypotenuse. So we should set up an equation. Opposite and hypotenuse is sine. I'm going to say sine of my angle, which I put an x for my angle, equals the opposite side 30 over the hypotenuse 50. And to undo the sine function, I do inverse sine of 30 over 50, and I type that in my calculator to get x. And you're left to finish the rest of this.